Let's have a look at converting color to grayscale and the challenges you may encounter. Here I have used 3 very different colors that are easily distinguished. Let's see how they look like in grayscale. I go to Filters, Color, Grayscale. I click on Live Preview. We see, in grayscale, they now look exactly the same. So how do we solve this problem? I will remove the grayscale effect by going to Filters, Remove Filters. Let's try again. I go to Filters, Color, Grayscale. Let's say, I want blue to be the darkest color. To do this, I will decrease the lightness of blue. And I want red to be in between blue and green. I want to further increase the contrast between the colors. I increase lightness. And I make blue and red darker. I click on Apply, and on Close. This is what I would expect these colors to look like in grayscale. I need a black and white variant of my logo. But applying the grayscale filter will not actually change the colors. This is because a filter is like a live path effect. The path effect changes a path, but the original path still exists. And this is also true for a filter. The grayscale filter only changes the appearance of the colors. The filter will be applied when I export a PNG. But if I want to send someone a true grayscale SVG, I will have to change the actual colors. For this video, I gave the paths their corresponding color. To quickly see what colors you used in your document, open Document Resources. I see I used 5 colors. I can not only see what colors I used, but also which fonts. Now let's convert the colors to grayscale. I will drag Fill and Stroke to the tabs below. I click on Steam Middle. I drag Saturation to 0. If a color is used in more paths, I right-click and choose Select Same Fill Color. Then I drag Saturation to 0. I do this for all 5 colors. Now let's say, I want the cup to be completely black. To do this, I drag Lightness to 0.